Hello and welcome everybody. BBBY stock on this stock. Let's see with the steps on this period. You are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start for this stock. So as we can go for the price here, this can be ongoing with the steps for 15 minutes update. So if we can go for the price that may happen here, we can say that this period that can be done on BBBY is going to be the thing that is still active since it was on this support. It gives an activity for the last support there, and that means the BBY will have its intersection on the level of a value of 3 USD, and it gave us another wave. That what could I explain about the technical analysis on this stock.